Hello and welcome to CNBC TV 18 and Salesforce present Bharat Trailblazers. I am Swati Shahi. On this very special series, we are showcasing some of India's most innovative micro, small and medium-sized businesses that are harnessing emerging technologies for achieving business excellence. On this show today, we shine the spotlight on Uno Minda Limited, which is a global manufacturer of automotive components and systems supplying to OEMs with over 65 years of experience. And to tell us how Uno Minda is fostering technology to achieve their business goals and much more, I am joined by Parna Ghosh, who is the Chief Information Officer at Uno Minda. Hi Parna, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Let me first begin by asking you that, Uno Minda is a company that has made significant contributions in the automotive industry supply chain. Can you tell us what your journey has been like and some of the key milestones?
So, we started 65 years back, and then obviously we grew slowly from the switch business to horns. We included the lighting business for four-wheelers and two-wheelers. Then also we have the castings for two-wheelers and four-wheeler casting wheels basically. And then we are now into automotive electronics. We are into the infotainment and many other areas of the automotive sector. And we have 15 joint venture partners over this last 65 years with whom we are working very closely. We have 73 locations where we manufacture our products, and also we have 30 R&D and engineering centers where we are doing a lot of innovation along with the customers. So if you look at our pedigree, we have around 200 plus patents, 200 plus designs which are already registered. And also we are very closely working with the customers on the PACE technology. Now PACE is a new jargon in the automotive space, which is nothing but personalization, autonomous, connected and electric. So this is how our journey is, and we are aspiring to become one of the largest automotive players in India as well as the globe, and we cater from India, Southeast Asia and Europe. Apart from that, we also have manufacturing locations in South America.
The automotive industry, has witnessed rapid technological advancements. Now, as per you, which are some of the emerging digital trends or technologies that you believe are currently shaping this industry? And how is Uno Minda positioning itself to leverage these trends for future growth?
Now that the technological advancement is happening, especially on the electric vehicles, a normal four-wheeler has 4,000 parts. Whereas an electrical vehicle only have 45 parts. So you can easily see the disruption which is happening in the space. Same for the autonomous cars. So autonomous cars are basically driverless cars, and there are many autonomous technologies like lean and CAN technology, which will help in communicating between vehicles and also with the transporters, with government, with the tax authorities and many other ecosystem players. So I think these are the technologies which are coming up to shape the automotive industry, and the customer choice, the OEMs expectation, the regulations, everything is changing very rapidly. Hence the the disruption is also pushing us as a group to innovate more and deliver better services and quality to the customers.
I'm sure. Your company has a very diverse portfolio when it comes to your product range, wherein you are catering to various vehicle segments. Now, how has digitization helped you to kind of streamline your sales processes and improve your customer relationship management across divisions within your company?
So, we have taken up the digitization or digital transformation journey from 2017. And now we are in the 6th year of our transformation journey. First, we started with the HR and finance, digitization, where we have a complete digital HRM solution for the employee lifecycle management. We also have a very strong financial digital, transformation journey, and including the financial supply chain for the suppliers. We have completely digitized the finance area. Then third, we started taking up materials and marketing, and when it's marketing, it's all about customers. We are into the B2B segment, so hence we are mostly delivering services and products to our customers who are the OEMs. So we have a very strong RFQ system which basically takes the customer RFQs and convert into a LOI, or which is called letter of intent. then we have the delivery to the customer. So hence the pre-sales and the sales and post-sales, the entire life cycle of customer journey is actually captured in our system. So we have a complete visibility of the customers. Second thing, we also have a strong CRM system which we have built in-house, and through which we are actually capturing the customer voice on product quality, cost, or new product development, and even customer complaints. And this is how we are trying to provide the the services and also the excellence to the customers.
You know, in an industry like yours, data-driven decision making is of utmost importance. Now, how has your organization leveraged data analytics to enable faster and more informed data-enabled decisions? And are there any specific functionalities or strategies that you have adopted to kind of, stay ahead in the competition?
So data analytics is integral part of our IT ecosystem, or I mean to say our business ecosystem. So we adopted the the data analytics platform, or we started this journey from 2018 when we have embarked on the journey with Salesforce.com. Earlier it was Tableau, but it is an acquisition by Salesforce now. So currently we have 750 users who are using these dashboards, starting from the top management to the middle management and the operational users. All of them are using these dashboards. We have a single source of truth. We also have data driven decision making as a culture in the organization. So whether it is reviews, whether it is decision making, whether it is taking some strategic calls, everything is done through those dashboards. I can give you some figures. We have saved around 60,000 man hours through materials, dashboards of through digitization, because earlier used to the materials corporate team used to call the reports from the plants, then they used to summarize, then they used to make the analytics, and then they used to present. The whole thing has been disrupted, and we saved 60,000 man hours. In case of marketing, we saved around 25,000 man hours in terms of reviews, and the reviews which we are talking about are short term reviews, mid term reviews, and long term reviews. So all these reviews are now digitized, and everything is happening through the system. This has helped the organization not only culturally transform, but also have a data hygiene maintained across. So when you have large portfolio like 73 locations and so many businesses, because we have 26 business lines. So when you have so much of a spread, you need to have centralized management and monitoring of single source of truth of data and analytics. So far we have built the historical dashboards through descriptive analytics, and now we are planning for the predictive and going forward with prescriptive analytics for future decision making, especially for the forecasting, planning, and looking forward.
You mentioned that how data is basically enhancing your business productivity and improving your decision making within the company. Can you tell us how it is helping you with cost management and also enhancing customer satisfaction?
So recently we have launched a very massive program in the organization called Vista. Vista is actually a a Latin word basically for visibility. So this Vista is basically digitizing the complete RFQ process till the SOP. SOP is nothing but start of production. So RFQ to start of production, complete life cycle we have digitized, and hence here we have actually digitized the complete cost management of our products. So we also have a very important dashboard called product profitability analysis, and in that product profitability analysis we have the complete cost management of each product line, each models. So we can look at the models, the products, the actually down the line the variants, where the cost is getting, we are getting the right cost, we are getting right margins, or we are getting the right kind of profitability. These all are managed through this portfolio of services of dashboards, and these dashboards are actually helping us taking better decisions, which product we should continue the business, which product we can discontinue, or which product we should have better margins. The decision making is possible there. So we have this Vista project and this product profitability dashboard, which is actually helping us in delivering the right information to the management.
Are there any quantifiable numbers that you can share with us after having launched this?
See, we have actually thought of reducing at least 25% of our time in terms of managing the data right from the RFQ process till the SOP, as I shared with you, start of production. So the entire life cycle of pre-sales, sales and post-sales is we are trying to save around 25% time, man-hours time in the whole organization. And if you look at the whole ecosystem, it's around 400 people working in the whole ecosystem for at least an year. So you can easily quantify the numbers. It will be in lakhs in terms of man-hour saving.
Right. My last question to you would be that, looking back, what are some of those key lessons that you can share here with us, and for basically for the other businesses, who are to embark on a similar path such as yours?
I will just talk about 5-6 key areas. One is, before you start the digital transformation journey, you should have a strategy in place and a roadmap which you want to achieve. Like we have made a 5-year strategy, and now we are again making another 5-year strategy till 2030. So this has to be in place for sure. Without that, you cannot just do here and there activities like that. Second thing is, you should start failing early. So you start small, fail early, and then you take the learnings, and then you go big bang. So this is the approach we have followed. So it's like a pilot you do, and then you look at the results and stuff like that. Then once the pilots are successful, you go for big bang and you look at the benefits across the organization. Few more things I will talk about, the digital journey is, make sure your top management is aware what you are doing. So whenever we have the top management reviews, whether it's board meetings or the reviews with the top management, we try to share the digital scorecard, see what we have planned, what we have achieved, what are the failures, what are the achievements and stuff like that. So this gives a better visibility to the management, and also it ensures that you are at the right track or not, and you get the suggestions from the management which you can cope up with within your journey. Second thing is, make sure the digital transformation is led not by the IT team and by the business teams or the functional teams. Why? I'll tell you, because if they do not have the skin in the game, they will never be able to appreciate what you are doing. So instead of being an IT project, it will become a business project, and you get the right benefits out of it. Third is extremely important, have the right business KPIs ready before you start the journey. What I meant to say is, whether it is profitability, whether it is cost, whether it is revenue generation, whether it is customer experience, whether it is user experience, everything should be in I will say table before the project starts, and this should be beforehand ready, that what you want to actually achieve. It should not be a IT driven KPI, say for an example, uptime is achieved or cyber security is ensured or stuff like that. These kind of projects will never work. So I think the business KPIs are important, stakeholder management, and also the ownership and the sponsorship from the business side. I think these three are the key last takeaways from my side, which we have seen. And I think if you go like this, hopefully you will have definitely some kind of success in your journey.
Thank you so much for joining us today. It was a great session, and thank you so much for sharing your valuable insights.
Thank you.
Well, that's all we have for you today on Bharat Trailblazers. We'll be back next time with yet another inspiring story of a business that is embracing technology to reach newer heights. Thank you for joining us.